James Allen once said, "You are today where your thoughts have brought you. You will be tomorrow where your thoughts take you." If you ask anyone whether they want a better future, most would say yes. However, when it's suggested that achieving that future requires personal development and daily progress, many back down, as they still associate prosperity with luck, like winning the lottery. Everyone celebrates birthdays, but few focus on becoming better and more prosperous individuals. The goal of life should not merely be to grow older, but to constantly improve oneself. As time passes, this becomes even more urgent because time is finite. To reach the next level in life, you need to become the best version of yourself. Life is made up of daily choices and sacrifices. It's not possible to have it all, and prioritization is necessary. Here are 6 essential sacrifices for evolving and achieving a prosperous life. Choose success over the pursuit of immediate recognition. Strive for excellence, rather than settling for what is merely acceptable. Prioritize personal growth over momentary pleasure. Value long-term potential over immediate financial gain. Stay focused, rather than scattering your attention across superficial interests. Seek transcendence, not just security. Personal growth doesn't happen automatically. Life teaches us, but we must be intentional about seeking out the lessons and opportunities around us. Growing means stepping out of your comfort zone, facing challenges, and often enduring pain. Motivation throughout this process is crucial. Continuously revisiting your vision of the future can be a great motivator, as personal growth is a never-ending journey. When you reach the top, you'll realize there's still more to achieve. It's this passion for the process that drives people to impact their families, friends, and society. Having interest is not enough. You need to create an action plan that leads to productivity and discipline. Too often, we've been taught to repeat work cycles without innovation, which keeps us stuck in conformity. However, each of us has unique talents that must be valued and used to positively impact the lives of others. You are responsible for your own life. Adversity is part of the journey, but those who achieve great things learn to focus on the positive and direct their energy toward what truly matters. Independence and entrepreneurship are becoming more common as traditional work increasingly fails to provide a decent living for many. True wealth creation happens when you work on your own projects, building something of value, even if it takes time. The most successful companies are those built with a long-term vision. It's not just about ideas, but about executing them. Steve Jobs, for example, transformed Apple not only through his visionary ideas, but through his ability to execute them. The most valuable advice you can receive is this: if opportunities don't arise, create them. The future is not something to be predicted, but invented. Today, there are more opportunities than ever in history. In the midst of crises, great chances for transformation emerge. Every challenge is a hidden opportunity, and those who recognize it will prosper.
Welcome to Smart Money, where we explore the secrets of the millionaire mindset. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to support our content and stay updated on all the latest insights. If you're looking to transform your mindset, achieve financial freedom, and live the life of your dreams, you're in the right place. Here, we share practical tips, proven strategies, and valuable insights to help you develop the mindset and habits of the great millionaires. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Join us on this journey towards financial success.